शाबाशिया 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 शाबाशिया।
वेरी बिग स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट, सभी फिल्म स्टार्स उसके पास आते हैं, उसके पास सभी पॉलिटिशियंस आते हैं। वेरी वेरी बिग नेम डॉक्टर श्रीलता त्रासी, नंबर 1 स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट ऑन कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री।
मेरे साथ मेरे 3 जनरेशन फ्रॉम माय मम टू मी एंड माय डॉटर्स, वी ऑल come to her for just about everything to do with health and skin. She's the only doctor I have known over the years जो देखकर बता देती हैं without examining what has happened, what the condition is, and she's always right.
ग्रोइंग अप मेरे चेहरे पे बहुत बड़े एक्ने थे, इतने बड़े बड़े, शेप ऑफ माय फेस वुड चेंज। मैं डॉक्टर से मिला, एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर त्रासी, तो आई वेंट देयर, उन्होंने काफी ट्रीट करा मुझे।
शाबाशिया 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 शाबाशिया।
I'm from a very mediocre family. 4 of us and 4 of my aunt's children. That is, my aunt was defendum, her husband was defendum, highly qualified, but because if the children see parents, they also don't speak. So till they started speaking, they were kept with us. And I stayed only in Parla, in a Bank of India colony where my father was. But he had a retinitis pigmentosa. So by the time evening comes, he would become blind. So my age started at the age of maybe 9-10. I would walk down to the station, bring my father home. And from there I realized that something has to be done. And when standing at the bus stop, I always told to myself, one day I'll be going in Mercedes. And that much efforts I'll take. Back to back in our society, the neighbor, our own close relatives would come and visit them. And we were 8 children at home. All with brains but no other things, would call them to our house, and I realized they would never come to our house. So I realized that people bow at shining sun and not the setting sun. And so me and my sister always would say कि एक दिन हम करेंगे. Then I took up medicine. And when I got an admission, my mother said, क्यों मेडिसिन करना है, बैंक का किसी का अच्छा ऑफर आया है, शादी कर ले, सेटल हो जा, ये 4-5 साल पढ़ाई करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. But we did medicine, and after me everyone did medicine. I became doctor, married doctor, children doctor, and we now have 37 doctors.
Wow.
Scanning around 9 to 10 hospitals,
Wow.
including cancer hospital. I had rickets in childhood, so my teeth were bad. And my parents were told this will cost about 10,000 to get it done. So my mother said that's too much. We'll go to Nair and get it done. The doctor there, to reach Nair from Parla 1 hour, to get a card 1 hour, to reach the doctor 1 hour, and then he'll make me sit on the chair and roam around everywhere and do little job. And तब 3 महीने नहीं आया. And then he had to do one surgery. Then we had some influence कि ये doctor senior है और ये बंदा काम करेगा. So he came, but the senior doctor, अरे मला important काम है, मी जातो तू पुस्तक बघ आणि कर. Now I knew what is he doing, but I wanted to save 10,000 of my parents. He did a fantastic job, but a surgery which can be done in 1 hour was done in 6 hours. From 8 to 5 hours sitting there, starving, my mother starving, 3rd standard to 10th standard I was going to him. And this person going around with colleague friends, having lunch, having everything. But I knew he has done a good job, which is still there. So these teeth are the landmarks of what he has done. I can do best of the teeth. I can afford to do that, but these are my memories and I keep it to myself. After the surgery, I told Dr. Rawant, you have done a fantastic job in spite of this being your first episectomy. Now today, sitting on the chair, I have decided I'll become a doctor. But I will not be like you. सबको बिठा के घूमने को गया, ये किया वो किया. I will never do that. So we got the admission easily. But I opted for Nair. I was getting KM, which is supposed to be first. But I said, नहीं, Nair ही चाहिए. So the dean that time said, पागल है कि तू Nair ले रही है? I said, नहीं sir, there are some sentiments, मुझे उधर ही जाने हैं. So first day I went to that doctor and said, Dr. Rawant, I took up medicine. But I will become a doctor where people will be someone sitting in front of me will be my mother, father, brother or child. will not make them sit and go around and do things. There has to be a fire in the belly.
Yes.
And never allow that fire to cool down. Because that day you do it, gone.
करके देखा कमाल वो आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां शाबाशियाँ
In childhood, I have told my mummy, मुझे स्विमिंग करना है. She said, बहुत स्विमिंग ड्रेस, फिर उधर जाओ, दादर से आना जाना पड़ता था पार्लर से. So it was in air. But then at 50, I said, पार्लर में ये हो गया. I took the membership, but 6 बजे सब खाना बना के फिर खा के कंसल्टिंग को जाने का and all was a big deal. But I was to go. But between 5 to 7, there is no coach. So and I was the only lady. तो कौन सिखाएगा मुझे? मैं हस्बैंड से क्या करती है, एक ही औरत और जाती है ऐसे. बॉस, मैं पानी में जाने के बाद इधर उधर देखती नहीं है. एंड यू चिल, यू डोंट थिंक ऑफ मी. एंड सबको अरे एक स्टेप दिखाना. आई लर्न बेसिक स्विमिंग. बट व्हेन आई वेंट टू कार, आई सेड आई हैव टू बिकम अ मेंबर ऑफ कार जिम्ना. सो द माय डॉक्टर फ्रेंड सेड अरे 4 दिन गेस्ट करके आ सके. मैं कहा 4 दिन नहीं, जब करना है मुझे 100% करना है. सो आई बिकेम अ मेंबर, पेइंग हेफ्टी सम. माय हस्बैंड तेरे को स्टेटस का बहुत कंसेप्ट आ गया. आई सेड नो स्टेटस, इट्स माय ड्रीम that I swim the best. I swim better than any man in this pool.
Wow.
Not with competitions, but I will do that. I can swim 1 hour non-stop. I can go to the bottom of the swimming pool, sit there, come up. So yesterday there was a small child learning with us. He bought Coke का bottle. Auntie, आप नीचे जाके Coke पी के ऊपर. One of the police commissioner who used to swim told my husband, अरे ही डाई मारते ही काय करते तुम्हें बकता ना. तो he said, अरे मेरी बीवी से बात कर दो, कभी मेरा भी नहीं सुनती, उसको भेजो आ गया वो वही कर. So he called me and said, डॉक्टर तुम्ही 65 ना? म्हटलं हो. तुम्ही असं डाई मारतात भीती नाही वाटत? म्हटलं नाही, मॅक्झिमम काय हार्ट अटॅक होईल ना. इझी डेथ, फास्ट डेथ. मी नाही घाबरू.
And she's the best swimmer in the entire club.
Wow.